I'm putting together the Songs and Arias tour because there is a birthday. It seems that I've been singing at places like the Royal Opera House for 30 years. My recording company, Deutsche Grammophon, says next year is 30 years. 3 decades in this business. So Songs and Arias gives me a chance, of course, to sing some beautiful songs, the repertoire from music theatre, great arias from the opera world. And of course, what I always try to bring into my concerts is the Welsh repertoire as well. There are certain highlights that you're always constantly looking forward to, and you know there's going to be, hopefully, a good reaction from the audience. Things like what was made so famous by Chaim Topol in the beautiful movie they did of the Fiddler on the Roof. If I were a rich man, I have to put that in the tour.
If I were a rich man, digga-digga-digga-digga-digga-digga-digga-dum. All day long I'd winnie-winnie-pump. If I were a wealthy man, hey!
Where we have the recital element, of course, it gives you the opportunity to sing Schubert, Schumann. These are songs that I've learned from my days at the college, at the Guildhall School of Music and Drama. So really looking forward to some Wagner. I'm going to put one from Tannhäuser.
O du mein holder Abendstern.
There are songs that I've learned anew by Ivor Novello, a very famous Welsh composer who has connections, of course, with Cardiff.
I can give you the starlight, love unchanging and true. I can give you the ocean, a deep and tender devotion.
And of course, with the Welsh folk tunes, Ar Hyd yn Oes has to be my absolute favorite. Traditional, all through the night. And in the Welsh words it says, Rho'n ein golau gwan i'n gilydd. We'll give our weak light to each other. And that's a kind of a message of solidarity, of peacefulness, and that's something quite special. Whenever I've sung orchestral concerts internationally, I've been very fortunate to have Gareth Jones, who I met at the Welsh National Opera. We've been working together for nigh on 30 years. So he knows exactly where I want to breathe, where I make a mistake here and there. He can save me with an orchestra in front of us. But the knowledge that we have together now is incredible. I don't have to say a word to Gareth. He knows my tempi. He knows everything that I do on that platform with these songs or arias.
Voi sapete quel che fa. Ah, 8th of October, Llandud no venue Cymru. See you there, wel eich chi yna.